Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a advertiser in your Facebook page. So let's go to the Facebook page first. After that, you have to make sure that you're on your Facebook page, not your regular Facebook account. You have to switch to your Facebook page account. Then you have to scroll down. Then you'll find here professional dashboard. Click on this. Now scroll down a bit, and then you'll find here page access. Click on page access. Now you have to click on this people the task access. Click on add new. Click on next. Now you have to put here the advertiser name or the profile icon, profile Facebook, this one. Now you can click on ads only and insights, and you have to click on give access. Then the advertiser will come here and you have to give the password here, Facebook password. Click on confirm. Now you have successfully give invitation to this advertiser. He will, if he accepts, he will able to come your access your page, and he will be able to publish the advertise from your page. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.